The CAP 697. EASA Part FCL Examinations Flight Planning Manual 2nd edition, July 2006. There's 4 sections. Section 1 includes definitions. Section 2 includes the single engine piston. Section 3 the multi-engine piston. And Section 4 the medium range jet. Single engine piston. The type aircraft here is modelled on the Beech Bonanza. It's a low-wing monoplane with retractable undercarriage, powered by a single reciprocating engine and a constant speed propeller. This is figure 2.1, time, fuel and distance to climb. An example is given on the graph, starting with outside air temperatures at takeoff and at the cruise. Travel upwards to the particular altitudes, then travel horizontally right to the initial mass, drop down to get values for time to climb, fuel to climb and distance to climb. Subtracting one from the other, you can find out what the time to climb, fuel to climb and distance to climb will be. Figure 2.2.1. Power settings. This table is for 25 inches mercury or full throttle at 2500 RPM, and it contains values for ISA -20 to ISA +20 for various altitudes, 0 feet sea level up to 16,000 feet, for manifold pressures, fuel flows in pounds per hour, gallons per hour, indicated airspeeds in knots or in TAS. Figure 2.2.2 is for 25 inches mercury or full throttle at 2100 RPM. Figure 2.2.3 is for 23 inches mercury or 2300 RPM. And lastly, figure 2.3.1 is for 21 inches mercury at 2100 RPM. Figure 2.4 is for range. With this graph, travel from the left-hand side from the cruise altitude to hit one of the lines corresponding to the power settings that you're using, and drop down to read the range in nautical miles. Figure 2.5 is endurance. For this graph, travel from the left using the cruising altitude to meet one of the lines corresponding to your power settings and drop down to read endurance in hours.